guys, today I'm gonna be making a YouTube video in Build-A-Bot on how to make a AFK grinder. As you saw the required blocks. Now, oops, I just place that. You got to place a block like right here, somewhere nearby right here. After that, now you're gonna place the pistons. My friend knows that I'm recording, so he's right now chatting to me. I'm gonna stop him. Stop, you might make a game crash. My game is lagging. Alright. Alright. To test if this is good enough, just place a chair, connect all of that, and then pull it back. Sometimes it's just too far, so let's remove the parts that are a little too far, which is this part. And now we get to see how many we need. 1, 2, 3. No, wait. You guys weren't supposed to hear that. Just place so many pistons you will like. Just about until right here, and then see where it goes. Like, if it goes too far, leave the piston inside of this wall. Just put your camera into it and then leave the piston inside. After that, place a wooden block right this way. Like add 2 more blocks. I'm using the scale tool because it's easier for me. And then pick your highest amount of blocks. For me, it's right now steel. Scale it inside of this block. And now turn the scale tool to 0. And yes, this is required. And now add the scale tool to 1. Scale this to be at least over this one. This third blue team right here. Make it as long as farther than that. It has to cover all the blocks it spawns. And now make this as big as we want. Just make it like as big as this. And now you can test it if it covers all of it at once. Like that. See? Mine is covering everything, so we need to place it on. We need to place a portal now. And now time for the portal set. Go here. Go like in the middle path. Get the portal up. But I'm not a Robux spender. I'd spend Robux on gold in this game. Alright, now that we got the portal, everything is set. Now we just need the walls. Oopsie, I anchored it by accident. anything breaks down at this point, then it's your problem. You have to save it first. Got that? Now we need to place this right here. This is the walls part. You can pick whatever type of walls size that you want, but this is just my style, so don't need to copy it. See, like that. And now put it a little bit up. And now time for testing. This is not required, by the way, the full size. You can just make it the 0 scale. And now look at that. All we need to do now is look at this and see this part is covering only 3 spawn points. So we need to make it covering all. Anyway, we'll just skip this step because it's boring and I already have an AFK grinder. Basically, you need like over 100 blocks just to make this part. Now we clear all because this is actually I already have one. And now time for the conveyor part. We build up this, make it, we build this, by the way guys, you got to make your AFK grinder a bit long, just about as long as until it reaches this, where my character is standing at, because if not, this won't work. But unless you have a beam on the end side, so you can connect it. Now, let's get our jets right here. And now, after that, we need a block. And now we have a conveyor. All we need to do now is connect it to the build. And now that same build is now conveyor. That's the conveyor step. After that, we can finally finish the AFK grinder by building a wood block here. And then a portal with the same color as the portal from the AFK grinder. Ignore my mom outside. And then we place uncontrollable chair or a pilot seat, whatever you want to call it. And also ignore my sister. We fly. We fly to the state. And the state was quite low because it's quite boring. Display stage. If we ever hit a rock on the backstage, it will just ruin the entire AFK grinder. And now that's pretty much it. We have an AFK grinder. I already have an AFK grinder, so I'm just gonna show you it. My AFK grinder is suitable for blue team, green team, and white team. Any other team will probably fail. I have the big type AFK grinder with the extremely tall blade, but that part is broken. I spent so much time on it, I wouldn't even believe it. Now it's still loading. This is the conveyor part, and this is the piston part. I have those two connected to this chair, and this part is also the second portal part. So yeah, guys, that's it. That is how to build an AFK grinder. That's all, guys. Bye.